In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best ways to contact Freshdesk support, whether you're seeking self-help, live assistance, or submitting a formal support request. Navigating support systems can sometimes feel daunting, but don't worry. We've broken down the process to help you find the assistance you need with ease. First, let's discuss how to access in-product support using the Help or Chat widget. If you're actively using Freshdesk, either as a standalone or in its omnichannel form, you can connect with support directly through a live chat in the Agent portal. Start by logging into your Freshdesk Agent portal. Once you're in, keep an eye out for the Help and Support icon. You'll typically find it positioned in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon gives you the option to chat with us. Here, you have the choice between Help and Support or Support. This feature is particularly useful if you have an urgent issue, since Freshdesk offers 24/7 in-product chat support. While live agents are available for direct interaction 5 days a week, this constant access means you can always reach out when something is pressing. Now, moving on to submitting a support ticket, which you can do either via email or using the widget. For this method, there are two straightforward paths you can take. First is using the Help widget, which is often labeled Get in Touch. This widget is available within the self-service or support portal. It's a versatile tool, allowing you to browse through frequently asked questions or to initiate a support ticket if you can't find the answers you need. This can be a great option if you prefer a more guided approach. Alternatively, if you find email more convenient, you can submit a support request by sending an email to the Freshdesk support team. This provides a more traditional route for those who may prefer writing out their issues in detail or attaching documents or screenshots to illustrate their problems more clearly. By choosing the method that best suits your needs, whether it be exploring self-service options first or diving directly into interacting with a support agent, you can efficiently resolve any issues or questions related to your Freshdesk experience. Remember, the aim is to ensure that the process of getting help is as seamless and efficient as possible. With these options, Freshdesk aims to cater to different preferences and needs, ensuring that every user can access support in a way that works best for them. Thanks for tuning in to this guide on contacting Freshdesk support. I hope you found this information helpful and feel more empowered to reach out for the help you need with confidence. Please feel free to explore these options and find the one that best fits your situation.